Hi there, welcome to the channel. The video timelines along with the dislikes to this video is mentioned in the description below. In this video, we are going to look at Ulanzi's teleprompter and see how good is it for $50 US. A common concern with any cheap teleprompter is that how much it affects the quality of the video because it is recording through the glass of the teleprompter. You can judge yourself because at the end of the video, I have provided samples of recording with and without the teleprompter, and I will provide my view as well. So let's unbox this thing and learn more about it. Aside from the teleprompter, you get 5 camera lens adapter rings, a remote, and a phone expansion board. The teleprompter body is a standard ABS plastic with mirror, cold shoe, and screw mount for a tripod. The provided lens adapter ring sizes are 58, 67, 72, 77, and 82 cm respectively. As long as you have the lenses that meet the dimension, you should be fine. They are made up of good quality metal, so you can expect a slight increase in weight once you connect your lens to the camera and mount it to your tripod. The phone expansion board is also plastic with a phone mount, slider for camera positioning, and quarter screw for connecting any add-ons you may have. For the phone use case, one may say that we don't need this device as we can get a proper app, which is correct, but you will then be limited to the front-facing camera only. This is a universal Bluetooth remote and not just limited to this device. It has some buttons that you may not need. It has a nice ergonomic shape and comes with two AAA batteries which are charge protected by a plastic cover. Then you get remote manual and assembly instruction which comes in English and Chinese language, and Ulanzi branded sticker and a wipe cloth for cleaning the mirror surface, and this spongy thing is used as a mobile shade on the expansion board. So this is pretty much all you get for $50 US. The price may vary from time to time on aliexpress.com. To set this up for your video recording, first choose the correct lens adapter ring matching the lens dimension and then place it to the front of the lens and fix it with the clockwise rotation. The teleprompter will hang on to it, so fix it properly to prevent it from falling, because if it falls then it will be lights out for it instantly. The other end of the adapter connects to the teleprompter and then you tighten the top screw to hold it in position. Once everything is connected properly, then the camera is mounted to the tripod. The weight of the device with the phone weight is borne by the lens. For mounting the phone, you can choose to do it with or without a back cover. After mounting, your phone will have to adjust the height and then slide it to position it to your phone's camera. It is not possible to include both the camera and flash, which I think is not needed as well. Then you have to mount the other end to the teleprompter and tighten the top screw to hold it in position. The grip is good enough and likely phone will not fall off. On one side you have a quarter screw to connect any add-on, and on the other there is a cold shoe mount to connect something like a boom mic. It offers a horizontal and vertical positioning of the phone depending on the desired orientation, and it maintains the camera alignment regardless of what position you set the phone to. I have not aligned it properly, so you see the flash aligned here instead of the camera, but you got the point. Do note that in this case you will need one more phone which will run the app and project the text to the mirror. You can directly mount the teleprompter to the tripod with a quarter screw. It comes with an app recommendation for both iOS and Android OS, but you are free to choose whatever app you want it. The iOS one is buggy and unusable from my test, and it does not mirror the text and you cannot read it from the mirror reflection. The Bluetooth remote pairing is just like any other Bluetooth device out there. Power it on, discover it, and pair with it. This is the default name of the remote. Once paired, the light blinking will be slow. Depending on the app, you need to either type or import your script. In this demo, I used the suggested app, so I had to type in it. Once you start it, then it will start scrolling and you can use the red horizontal line as a reference to which line is coming up next. It does come up with some useful options, like you can set the speed as per your liking, increase the font size, and even change the text and background to suit your need. And once you're happy with the setting, you need to enable the mirror mode, which will invert the text. And once you place the phone to the teleprompter, you can then start reading while the camera records you. You can control the scrolling of the text with the help of the remote that we paired earlier.
This button press starts or stops the scrolling of the text. This button on the side switches the mode, and then you can use the joystick to scroll up and down, and left and right movement will slow or increase the scroll speed.
My personal take on this device is that it does not decrease the quality of the video as long as you're recording in 1080p. I do not have 4K camera, so I have not tested with it, so I cannot say. But I think you really do not have to spend $100 or maybe even $200 on teleprompter. You can very well buy this and get the job done. And that's all for this video. If you would like to support my efforts, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, take care and goodbye.